Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting, and I thought I would take you through two of my old journals. In some of my journal with me's, I have mentioned that I want to start journaling the way I used to, mixed with creative daily journaling type stuff. So I thought I'd show you how I used to journal and then show you the beginnings of my May journal. Okay, so let's just start with this one. This was, oh wait, February? I forgot they're dated. April. Okay, so this was just an altered book. I stamped and embossed on the cover and put my dates in. So this is how I used to journal. I would just write a little something that happened that day, and then I would put down what books I read. Okay? So there were 2 dates on every page. I would pre-decorate, and then I could journal every day. But this is how I did it. And I really do miss doing it like this. See that? And then these were little windows. But I would just write a little something that happened. I wouldn't write a ton of stuff. I wouldn't write about my whole day. Just the little things. And when I say I wanted to leave spots for stamping in that one journal I was making, this is what I meant. Look how cool that looks, like in that blank space. I like it. You may not, but I like it. So all I would do would be decorate a page, pick a theme, and decorate a page. That would be it. And then every day I could, and then that's where I stopped. I don't know why I stopped there. That's where, oh, because I think it was already getting really chunky. That's why. Look how, I mean, it was already getting really chunky. And I get bored easily with a journal. That's why I'm doing a monthly instead of 2 months. And then I went to this one, which is made out of a Snow White little golden, no, it's not a little golden book. It's a Snow White book. And I used my cinch on it and spiral binding. And when I do one of these books, I keep the pages. And then these ones I tabbed with the month. So if I had to find something, I could just go over and find something. But yeah, this is how I would do it. And I loved doing it this way. And I also love creative daily journaling. And this is one, I just started adding pictures in this one too if I had them. If I had them. Mother's Day card. So that's when things started to get a little bit different in this one. I still journaled the same way, but I would add things if I had them. So yeah, this is what I want to do in my new journal. But yet different. Excuse the dog, he knows I'm crafting. If you saw my short, you know he doesn't give a crap if I'm doing anything. As soon as that camera comes on and he knows that I'm not going to pull him in my lap, that's when he gets angry and he'll bark. You know, flipping through these, there's some really cute little spreads that I did. Look at this, that popped up butterfly. Look at that. That is so cute. Okay, so I think that's it, right? Yeah. Okay. So that was the end of that one. And now this is what I've started for May. I don't know if you've seen me do these yet. I think this will be after that video posts. Okay. I have to put that on there because I really do think that's cute right there. That'd be cute. Okay. I put it in there to remind me. So, these are the spreads that I've done so far. And these ones are very basic. I'm a little upset with myself after seeing that. Gotta step up my game. So what I'll do here is, I'm trying to think, do I have anything here next to me to use as, no, I don't. Of course I don't have anything. So what my plan for these is to do is to still do what I would normally do, journal, and then, okay, here I have a card here that I never put away. So say I got this card in the mail, I would attach it somehow to this page. So I'd have it in there. If I got new washi tape, I would take my new washi tape to try and just put a strip of washi tape down the side. I'm going to add my photos from my books, that kind of stuff in here. And that's how I'm going, pictures I take of whatever. That's what I'm going to be doing with this. So I'm still going to be journaling every day because I have to or else I forget. I'm going to be journaling every day and still adding the fun stuff that I add currently in my journals. That's my plan, and I can add everything over where I decorated. I can add it on top of where I decorated. It doesn't matter. It's just that having this pre-decorated means that I can open up whatever day this will be and write my journaling on here or on here and not forget what it is that I did that day. And then I can come through and add my fun stuff. I can add fun stuff to here. I can add fun stuff to here or here. I could add here. I can add it wherever I want on these pages. And these 2 pages are one day because that works best for me. And that's what I'm going to do. So, I hope you get a better idea of what I'm planning on doing now that you've seen these 2 chunky monkeys. And let me tell you, I think I'm going to keep them up here for inspiration for my next few pages because I forgot how nice some of these pages were and how much I really liked some of these pages. Like, that's a really interesting page. Or that one. I loved this page when I made it. I also loved, let's see, where is it? I don't know. Was one of this one. I love this page. I painted and it's paper and I used white gel pen. Yeah, so I loved a lot of these pages. Like this, I love the simple stamping. These flip outs with this pretty paper. Like, I loved a lot of these pages. So I'm going to keep these up here for actual inspiration when I work on this. So thanks for joining me today. Please like and subscribe and comment down below if you would like to try this kind of journaling and if you would like a wiener dog. He's like cute when he wants to be. Just kidding. Not just kidding about him being cute, but if you want him or not, he's mine. Okay. So thanks for joining me today. I hope this better explains what I'm thinking of doing. And yeah, have a great day.